Today, we're exploring how to get travel insurance online through direct-travel.co.uk. If you're planning your trip and want to make sure you're covered in case of unexpected events, this video is for you. Direct-travel.co.uk is a straightforward and user-friendly service that allows you to easily compare different travel insurance options and select the one that best suits your needs. To get started, visit their homepage. You'll notice they offer various insurance plans for different types of travel: single trip, multi-trip, and even annual coverage. This is great because it caters to everyone, from the occasional vacationer to frequent travelers. The site's design is clean and intuitive, so even if you're not tech-savvy, navigating it is a breeze. The first step is to enter your trip details, destination, travel dates, and personal information. The site will then provide a list of insurance options based on the information you provided. This is where the comparison feature comes in handy. You can view the benefits of each plan, the coverage limits, and the cost. One of the advantages of direct-travel.co.uk is their affordable pricing. The site clearly displays how much each insurance plan will cost you, so there are no hidden surprises. You'll also find detailed explanations of what each plan covers: medical emergencies, lost luggage, trip cancellations, and more. While direct-travel.co.uk is a great option, I also recommend another reliable service called Ekta Traveling. If you're looking for a broader range of options and flexible pricing, make sure to check them out through the link in the description. They're well known for their comprehensive travel insurance packages and are trusted by many travelers. Continuing with direct-travel.co.uk, the checkout process is quick. Once you've chosen your plan, all you need to do is fill in your personal and payment details. After completing the purchase, you'll receive a confirmation email with your insurance documents, which you should keep handy during your trip. Some users may find the lack of extensive customization a drawback, especially if you have very specific travel needs. However, for most travelers, the plans offered should cover all the essentials. The site also has customer support available if you have any questions while purchasing your insurance. That wraps up this guide on how to buy travel insurance online. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if this video made the process easier for you.